Presenting the used 2011 Honda Certified Civic LX with a polished metal metallic exterior and a gray interior. Featuring a 4-cylinder engine with 140 horsepower, it gets great gas mileage at 36 miles per gallon down the highway and 25 miles per gallon in the city. This car is in excellent condition and comes complete with a one-owner Carfax history report. Buy it with confidence, knowing you'll receive the balance of its original 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, as well as an additional 1-year, 12,000-mile non-powertrain warranty. This vehicle has passed an extensive 182-point inspection and reconditioning, also including other great key features such as an MP3 player, keyless entry, remote trunk release, child safety locks, and new tires. This deal won't stick around our lot for long, so come on out to Fisher Auto to test drive this great car today before it's gone.